I'm really loving this hair. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's me, and I'm back with another video on some hair. So this hair, it came in this pack. I'm pretty sure I'm going to add a clip actually right now of me unboxing this hair. Plastic off, and comes with this little card. Frontal S lace Dara. Oh yeah, it's Dara. My bad. And this is in the color number 1. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Let me take this wrap off. So right here, I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. That's just the lace, and I'm showing you that there's 2 clips on the sides and in the back. So that's what you'll be dealing with when you apply it. So yeah, this is the package actually open right now. Okay, so the pack of hair, it actually came, like I said, in this piece right here. It's called the Frontal Natural Hairline S Lace. It's a 13 by 6 hand knot tied. It says it's iron friendly and safe up to 350 degrees through 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I won't be straightening or doing anything to that because this is a synthetic unit, so we're not going to do that. And this is, of course, in the color number 1. Okay, so let's talk about this hair. So this is the hairline. By the way, this hair is definitely installed straight right out the box. So I did not do any plucking, any parting, any, like, all I did was swoop to the side, and this is what we get. So this is the hairline without any plucking. This is this side. The back. And the other side. I truly do love this hair so far. So let's answer a couple of questions you guys might have about this hair unit, so you do not have to spend your coin and, you know, be disappointed. Okay, so let's talk about the quality of this hair. Let's see. I definitely love the quality of this hair. Let's just start off about the top. I actually watched a review from I forgot what her name is, but she did a review and she did not like the top of this hair, the way the top like is more straight and then the back is curly. I actually love that, so you know, I'm okay with that, but some people might not be. But I see what she is talking about now. I definitely see that, because it's straighter here and then it gets curly in the back. I can see what she's talking about, but I definitely still like this hair, so it's okay. So the quality of the hair, I think it's pretty good quality. How much was this hair? So the most that this wig would actually cost is about 40 bucks. You can get it for like 35, 36, 32. Depends on where you find it, you know, but you can definitely get it there. I mean, for that amount. I will definitely leave the link below just in case you guys do want to purchase this. I like it, so we good. Is this true to length? So How long did this say it was? It actually said it. Oh, the trash. Hold on. How long is this? I swear it said it. Come on now. Wow, I swear it said it. Well, I guess I'm tripping. I'm gonna do some research and I'm actually gonna put the link down below or somewhere over here to tell you guys how long this is. But this is pretty long. This hair is pretty long, so I'm not complaining. So the next thing we're gonna be talking about is this tangle free. It got all the way to here, so, but it's synthetic, so it's okay. I will definitely accept this. I really do love this. It's really nice. But is it tangle free? I do not think so, but it doesn't tangle too much. Like, I mean, yes it does, but not really. See, all I gotta do is pull my hand. Yeah, so it's synthetic, so I don't know why I would be complaining, but I definitely do like this. And if you're wondering why I'm looking over there, because I have a big old mirror right here. Is this hair true to color? Yes, it is. It's a number 1, and as you can see, it looks like a number 1. Completely like a number 1. Any tangles or hair loss? We just talked about the tangles, but hair loss, I am not really gonna brush this out because it's curly. I don't like brushing out curly hair because, you know, you're just asking for a mess. But it's okay. It's definitely okay. Actually, I'm gonna brush out a little section for you guys with my fingers, not with the brush. Let's see how much tangling we get. I don't know if you can see that, but I got about like 4 strands. That's not bad at all. So let's talk about what I do like about this hair. I do like the way it flows. It's like, I like the bangs, how like, I like when it kind of curls to my face and I have to swoop it out of my face. I like that part. I like the curl pattern. I like, it's like a beach kind of wave. I do like, actually I really do love this wig. If I had to spend $30 on this again, or 35 or 38 or 40 bucks on this wig again, I would definitely get in a different color as well. But you know me and my black hair, I have to have it in black first to see how I like it. But do I have any cons about this hair? Any cons? Any cons? I have no cons about this hair. I really do love this wig. I don't mean to keep turning over there, but the mirror is right there, so I'm sorry. But I have no cons about this hair. It is really, it's doing its job. I like that, a long, curly, not too much but not too little hair. I like that. And that wraps that up. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video anyways because, you know, I gotta emphasize that. So and let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any further questions about this hair. If you guys want to purchase this hair, I will definitely put the link down below in the description box. I got y'all. Y'all gonna get this too. Get your one. and I'll definitely be seeing you guys soon.